Hi folks, today is February the 24th. It's currently about 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm getting logged into the trade
Welcome
room.
to any meeting. The meeting is in listen-only mode, and only meeting presenters can be heard.
Alright, just got logged into the trade room. As usual on the 300 tick chart, waiting to see what happens here. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and press pause, and I'll come back on our first print. I'm guessing there's going to be a lot of resistance at this level here. As you guys can see, we have this low volume node, and then we have the high volume node right here. So if we can get a
CL scalp trade approaching.
a sell trade off of this level, that would be ideal. We'll just have to wait and see if the market decides to try and push through it or decides to reverse here. As you guys can see, we had a print right here where the market had tried to go through it, and it just reversed directly off of that high volume node. So I'd really like to see the exact same thing happen here. Alright, just wanted to show that to you guys. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, we got a sell on a
Order
sell
filled.
print. It's only 3 contracts. Market's been moving pretty slow, so we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens here. See if we can get through this level right here. Then we might have some trouble there. Just taking a screenshot.
Target filled.
Might have some issues getting through this level here.
Stop filled.
Didn't get much on that. Not a big deal. I figured we have some problems getting through this level. That's why I moved my first take profit up to it. Alright, so not much there. I'll go ahead and pause it and come back to you guys on the next print. Alright guys, the market is it's already tested this level multiple times. You guys can see here, here, and then again here recently. It's talking about a long trade, but I personally will not be taking a long until the market busts through this level here. This is the high volume node, and it tends to provide either a strong level of support when below or a strong level of resistance when above. And on top of that, we also have this low volume node right here, which you guys can see, and we also have a sell zone right here, which you guys can see. So there's a lot of resistance right here at this level. And if I was taking the manual low volume node trades, I would have got in here. Basically would have just had a pending order right here, and I would have taken that back down for 15 ticks. Because with the manual low volume node trades, you use a 15 tick stop, 15 tick take profit, from my understanding. But just want
Crude
to
oil trade.
update you guys to let you know why I'm not taking this trade. Just printed, but like I said, I will not be taking that. So we'll see what happens here. Be back shortly. Alright folks, I wanted to show you what happened here. As you guys can see, the market shot up past the first and second take profits, and would have been a very nice trade, but like I say, I didn't take it because of this high volume node that had been respected multiple times. Can't be right all the time, so it is what it is. I'm not too hurt about it. We're just gonna now look to take a long trade now that the market has gotten past this level here. Alright, so I'll go ahead and pause it and be back with you guys once we get our next trade.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright guys, we just got another print here.
Order filled.
Just got filled into it. Market's reversing pretty heavy on us.
CL scalp trade approaching.
We did have a pretty big move up here, so we might get stopped out. No telling, no telling. Just have to see what the market decides to do here.
Stop filled. CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, we'll see what the next one gives us. Let me go ahead and pause it and be back with you guys on the next print. Hey folks, we just got this short print for 5 contracts. Problem here is that this high volume node trade is right here. It's already been respected once. Market bounced right off of it. So I'm a little hesitant about taking it. And there's also this buy zone here. I really expect this to continue to act as support.
CL scalp trade approaching.
As you guys can see, it basically did act as support. It looks like we're kind of sandwiched in right now. We have this sell zone with this confirmed selling low volume node. Then we have this buy zone right here. We have this buying low volume node. And then we also have the high volume node right here. So we're kind of just sandwiched in between these two levels. Hopefully the market will break out in one direction or the other. And we'll get a print at that point. And I believe we have some news. Let me see what we have here. Alright, so at 10 o'clock we have Fed Chair Yellen testifies, and also CB Consumer Confidence, so that's not until 10 o'clock. I usually stop trading at 10 o'clock, so we have some time until then. So I'm going to pause it, and I'll be back with you guys hopefully once we break through one of these levels. Somebody in the trade room took a manual low volume trade right here at this level, and you guys can actually see it here. You see he got in right there at that low volume node, and the market moved up. So like I said, those are what I plan on adding next, most likely. And he's either going for 10 or 15 ticks take profit. I know in the course, in the manual, it says 10 tick stop, 10 tick take profit, but I've seen people use a 15 stop with a 15 take profit, so it's really whatever you choose. Alright, just wanted to show that to you guys. Be back shortly. Alright guys, just wanted to show you that the market did indeed come down here. It would have hit our first take profit if I would have taken this trade. That is the I believe second trade that I chose not to take that would have been a winner. That was going into this high volume node. So that's a bit bothersome, but at the end of the day there have been times where I haven't taken these trades because of the high volume node, and it's saved me from a loser. Today just happens to be the day where the market decides to push through it. Market's going to do whatever it wants to, so there's really no telling. All we can do is just play the game. Hopefully we'll get some reaction here, maybe get a reversal at this level, or might decide to push through it and give us a long at some point. We'll just be patient, see what the market gives us. Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright folks, market just
CL scalp trade
pushed up
approaching.
past this level here. Closed above it. Let's check the 2 minute. I haven't even looked at the 2 minute yet today. See what we're looking like. Alright, at 50.19 we have the high volume
CL
node.
scalp trade approaching.
It looks like we did get a print here on the 2 minute. I don't trade off of the 2 minute, but it is something to take note of. Let me see what level was that again. 50.19. Alright, so that's right around this level here.
CL scalp trade approaching.
And now we have this little tiny buying zone with this low volume node right here. Should be interesting to see if the market bounces off of this. Alright, let me go ahead and pause this for this video turns into another 20-minute video. Be back with you guys shortly. Take a look at what the market has been doing. It's pretty much just been going sideways here, as you guys can see. The only thing I can really find as a cause is that news that's coming out at 10 o'clock that I showed you guys a moment ago. So I'm definitely hoping we don't get too many more prints before 10 o'clock. I might just wait unless the market breaks this level down or this sell zone here up, I'm pretty sure I probably just won't take anything. So we'll just have to be patient and see what happens here, because this just looks like a mess to me. It's just sideways, 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 sideways. So alright, not the best day to be trading.
CL scalp trade approaching.
Alright, be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, it's now past 10 o'clock, and I think, let me see here. Yep, Fed Chairman Yellen testifies. So this is happening now. The market's gonna become increasingly erratic.
CL scalp trade approaching.
So I won't be taking any trades past this point, which I typically don't anyway, but especially not now. And as we've seen before that particular news release, the market has just been going sideways. So today was not necessarily a great day to be trading. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.